In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into Microsoft Teams using two different accounts simultaneously. This is especially useful if you manage multiple roles or responsibilities and need to access different Teams environments without logging in and out constantly. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Teams website. You can do this by typing teamslive.com free into the address bar and hitting enter. Once the page loads, you'll see a sign-in option in the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the login page. After clicking sign in, you'll be prompted to enter your Microsoft account details. Input your account information and then click the next button to proceed. Make sure you're entering the credentials for the account you wish to use in your first Teams session. After entering your account details and clicking through, you should find yourself inside the Teams application ready to go. Now, to manage a second account, there's a handy trick. Open a different web browser altogether. If you used Chrome initially, try using Firefox, Edge, or Safari this time. Alternatively, you could use the same browser in incognito or private browsing mode. Just make sure it doesn't store any browser data or cross-reference with the active session you already have open. In this second browser, repeat the process. Navigate to the Teams website and click on the Sign In option. This time, enter the credentials for your second Microsoft account. Input the necessary details and, once again, click Next. By doing this in a separate browser or private browsing mode, you ensure that each session remains isolated, allowing you to access both Teams accounts independently and simultaneously. Should you face any confusion or a pop-up asking for account verification, be sure to follow any on-screen prompts carefully to maintain smooth access. It's important that both accounts have sufficient permissions and are set up correctly within their respective Teams environments beforehand to avoid any access issues. That's it. With these steps, you can seamlessly manage multiple accounts in Microsoft Teams without breaking a sweat. Being able to access two accounts at once can significantly enhance your productivity, minimize hassle, and keep your different workplace roles organized and streamlined. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this guide useful in your day-to-day work with Microsoft Teams.